The most innovative tech products of 2024 has been a landmark year for technology. From smartphones to gaming consoles, this year's innovations have pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Today, we're taking you on a journey through the most innovative tech products of 2024, the ones that dared to break the mold and redefine the future. Let's dive in. Let's start with the HMD Fusion, a smartphone that's rewriting the rulebook. Imagine owning a phone that doesn't become obsolete in 2 years. With the HMD Fusion's modular design, you can replace components like the battery or display with just a screwdriver. What's more, HMD has made the system open source, inviting developers worldwide to create custom add-ons called smart outfits. Think camera upgrades, gaming attachments, or even niche tools designed for specific professions. And here's the kicker. HMD is committed to keeping spare parts available for 7 years. All of this for just $300. It's not about competing with flagship phones like the iPhone 16 or Galaxy S24. It's about creating a new category altogether. This is innovation with a purpose. Next, we have the Framework Laptop 16, the epitome of modular computing. Unlike traditional laptops that lock you into a fixed design, the Framework Laptop lets you upgrade everything, from the RAM to the GPU. But what really sets it apart is its customizable keyboard deck. Want a number pad for work? Slide it in. Prefer programmable macro keys for gaming? Go ahead. You can even experiment with LED displays for a truly unique setup. It's powered by the AMD Radeon RX 7700S graphics module, ensuring top-tier performance. The best part? This laptop is designed to last years, making it a game changer for sustainability. Innovation isn't just about tech, it's about longevity. Now let's talk TVs. The Sony Bravia 9 has revolutionized display technology with its XR backlight master drive. This advanced mini LED backlight uses thousands of tiny LEDs to create incredible brightness and contrast, rivaling even the best OLED TVs. Gone are the days of blooming and halo effects. Instead, you get a picture so vivid and detailed, it feels like you're looking through a window into another world. It's not just a TV, it's an immersive experience, earning its title as the most innovative TV of 2024. For book lovers, 2024 was the year we finally got what we'd been waiting for, the Amazon Kindle Colorsoft. Imagine reading comics, magazines, and colorful book covers on a Kindle. The color display brings stories and artwork to life, making every reading session more enjoyable. Paired with Amazon's intuitive interface and massive library, the Kindle Colorsoft isn't just a device, it's a revolution in e-reading. And finally, for creators, the HP Omen Transcend 32. This monitor is a true masterpiece, offering QD OLED technology for the best visual experience in gaming and content creation. The Neurable MW75 Neuro headphones. These headphones feature built-in EEG sensors that track your focus levels. Whether you're working or gaming, the Neurable app helps you understand when you're most productive or when you need a break. Even without this futuristic functionality, they'd still rank among the best wireless headphones, thanks to premium audio and advanced noise cancellation. It's where neuroscience meets cutting-edge sound. Next, let's talk about gaming. The PS5 Pro is a powerhouse console that features PlayStation Spectral Super Resolution, PSSR, and AI-driven technology that delivers 4K visuals at 60 frames per second without compromising performance. No more choosing between graphics and fidelity modes. PSSR handles it all. This isn't just the next generation of gaming consoles, it's a leap into the future. Smart rings are the future of wearables, and the RingConn Gen 2 leads the charge. It's the first ring to detect sleep apnea, alongside offering detailed sleep, activity, and workout tracking. With a week-long battery life and no subscription fees, the RingConn Gen 2 is making health tech more accessible and stylish than ever. Let's not forget about monitors. The HP Omen Transcend 32 is a dream for creators and gamers alike. With its QD OLED panel, 140W USB-C power delivery, and deep color accuracy, it's one of the most versatile monitors on the market. Whether you're editing videos or battling it out in your favorite game, this monitor is designed to keep up with your every move. From modular smartphones to futuristic wearables, 2024 has been a year of bold ideas and groundbreaking designs. Which of these innovations has captured your imagination? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tech.